In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize theme speed in Shopify. Faster themes don't just feel better, they help reduce bounce rates, improve conversions, and can even boost search rankings. We'll walk through the Shopify admin together and make a few smart adjustments that cut unnecessary weight from your storefront while keeping your design intact. Start by heading to shopify.com. This ensures you're in the right place and using the latest secure login portal. Click login, then sign in with your preferred method. Whether you use email or another platform, make sure you log into the store you actually want to optimize, especially if you manage more than one. Once you're in the admin, look to the left-hand panel and choose Online Store. This takes you to your themes area, where most of the speed impacting settings live. Find your current theme and click Edit Theme to open the theme editor. You'll see a live preview on the right and a customizable panel on the left. Inside the left panel, look for any app sections or app embeds that you don't actively use. Unused apps still inject scripts and CSS, which add loading time. Toggle them off or remove their blocks from sections where they're no longer needed. If a feature isn't essential to the customer's first impression or purchase journey, it's a candidate to disable here. Next, turn off pop-ups and sliders if you have them. Pop-ups can delay first interaction and often load extra libraries. Sliders cycle multiple images and scripts when a single well-optimized hero image will load faster and convert just as well. If you need a message, try a static banner within the theme rather than a pop-up. For images, use smaller, optimized files. Resize images to the exact dimensions your theme displays and compress them so they're efficient without looking blurry. Photos usually work best as JPEG, graphics with transparency as PNG, and modern formats like WebP can be even lighter if your theme supports them. Avoid uploading full-resolution originals directly from a camera or design tool. Keep your homepage short. Aim for a focused set of sections that communicate value quickly. Fewer featured collections, fewer product rows, and minimal animations all reduce requests and speed up the first paint. Your homepage should guide visitors to key pages, not do everything at once. When you're done, click Save in the top right of the theme editor. Preview your storefront to confirm everything looks right and loads faster. That's it. Quick, targeted changes that meaningfully improve speed without a full redesign. Thanks for watching and happy optimizing.